Vera.
Baka yung Mindol eh. Okay, good afternoon everyone. To my fellow speakers. I'm very hopeful in this country because I still see academics and scholars, which is quite opposite to my culture. I work with NASA scientists backing up our government. From the government, I moved out. I joined a pool of international scientists, and I see few Filipinos, and they are wow scholarly, and I'm so amazed. Dealing with disaster and like any emergency intervention, God's answer is only one word: science. So if you want to see God's answer, go to science. Yeah. Because we keep on praying like the 7,000 people who died. I pray for them in Tacloban, the 13,000 when I left Nepal. I think they were good people. They were not hidden. They were not atheists. They were good Catholics or INC or born again or Muslims. Yet they died, and I think they were also praying, but there was no chariot from heaven because God gave answer already. Before He gave the deluge, you had 7 years looking at the ark slowly built, little by little, like the sunset review is like the ark. Today, I'll be dealing with the emergency and disaster configuration. So, I won't say sorry if I put my bag there. I always carry my bag. I always do what I preach. Because all my life I was in war. I was in the ugly places on earth. I was in Darfur. I'm supposed to go to Pakistan, Afghanistan under UN. And supposedly to help out in Syria. Kasi yun talaga yung buhay ko. Parang hindi ko makita yung buhay ko in the office. So I always feel reality. But I always look at preparedness as a baseline of everything. I was talking to one lady, before you prepare for earthquake, you have fire extinguisher in your house. And he told me, none. So don't you ever try to prepare for earthquake. If you don't have little things in life, how to survive. Gusto mong tsumamba? Maghanda ka muna. It's not E and C squared. That's how simple. I was talking to big guys after my stint in Nepal, and we gathered in one location, all top-rank corporate entities and the highest ranking military guys and police guys, all of them talking for one day how to save the whole dark Philippines. There's only one question I asked: who among you has go back? And no one raised the voice. If you can buy 3 days of your life, should earthquake arrive today? I was asking, where will you run? Right now. Where? Simpleng tulog lang ng tubig. Natrag ka lahat, hindi nakita, dalawang nap ka agad. See, when emotion inside, reason is low. Why? Because we did not practice for it. It's like martial arts, like shooting. Like martial arts, you have to practice so that reflex will just come. Somebody will hurt you, it's black, and you can strike. It's practice. Sorry, I practice on dead bodies. I don't have grip. Put you here, so I go to dead bodies. I pay 5,000 pesos. You might not look at it like it's not probably in your culture. Anong klaseng tao to? But I would do that 100 times over to save your father and your mother who can still have enjoyed 20 years of his life, her life. So it's always the nuance to the finest muscle we have. Now, all of them discussed the science of it, so I made it like digestible also for you because you might be bleeding unless you're into it. I appreciated it so much because I grew up in the office. I always see scholars, so I made it like me, so you don't need to memorize anything. But I'm not going to discuss all because we don't have much fluoride back. But I can give you my slides and try to digest it, make it suitable to your taste also. Pag may maalala ka sa mga Pinayan, medyo may tama ka na gagawin. But before that, I want you to show this guy. Tinamaan ng bala, puto ng pero maganda pagkagawa sa print, may isang stamping at saka tourniquet. Same guy, with tourniquet. And the one who did that is my top-notch student in combat medicine. He died in Mama Sapano. This guy is not prepared. I trained him so hard. Every time he goes to our classroom at 12th floor, tinatapunan po yan ng class bunk. Yung class bunk parang granado, natutulilo ka. Pumapasok yan, close quarter combat. Araw-araw yan. Stream 9-5. Tapos tutumawag ng science, how to save lives. To locate arteries, to lock them. This guy is prepared. Yet he died. Paano na hindi prepared? Anyway, I was here. I did Isaac Pama. Want to know how expensive is the blood. So I flew our Hilo, the doctor, did some, sursi-sursi sa lugar, wala sa area. Yan po. Actually, nakunan ba ako ng, yan po ako nakasabi. Getting older. I'm not, maybe I'm retired, but I'm not yet dead, so I can still do such thing. So you have Yolanda. I like this one. Why? Because only we have ribs like Nino take tasty. So just don't be ashamed if you answer them. So gusto mo maging provincial director? Yes. Yes or no?
Yes.
So why the PhD thing?
I want to teach in the university and do some research.
So you need PhD. Okay. So you want to teach in a university. How many years are you projecting that you're going to study teaching graduate class? How many years? 5 years? 10 years?
5 years.
5 years. So 5 years, he has this man as a plan. So I told him the man with the plan. I'll equate that with 1 minute and 30 seconds. On how fast I can snap you inside my plan. Fair? Very unfair. All my life, I trained so hard to save people with intestines gushing out. Ako po isang doktor, ayaw ko yung doktor, may sipon ako. Naku, duduguin ko, ayaw ko lang gano'n. So yung doktor, putol kamay ko. Kaya, music to my ears. Music to my ears. Now, bawat punta namin sa disaster, too late kasi 7,100 islands, jumping from one island to the other. Mahirap po. E nung nasa Coast Guard ako, hindi lang naman yung mga search and rescue vessel namin. Yung helicopter namin, 1980s pa. Parang nakakatakot lumipad. So ganun kabilis. Ninyo. Hindi fair pa. But I have 7,000 in my life. And 80% of my job was putting nameless, faceless people inside body bags. Only numbers and letters. No, yung may dream siya after 5 years maging professor, tapos gano'n lang. And not here, sa labas ng bayan. Everything was there. Mandache. Oh, 1 minute, 30 seconds. And I want you to think, to buy time. Learn how to buy time. And if we don't have those natural events, we have deliberate incident like 2013, the Palestine this country. Oh, sa Wanda. Kung walang mga ganun, may mga bus na mulukso kahit saan. So what's in this country? Welcome to the country around the accident and disaster corridor. So, I don't know if it is like a blessing or not, but 1900 year 2000, natural hazard, not natural disaster. As academics, don't use natural disaster. There's no such thing as natural disaster. Mayong volcano erupting is normal. She was there before you were born. The only thing is you built your house within 4 kilometers radius. I scouted the 100 kilometer, visited villages and subdivisions. I saw houses on top of fault lines. Who's crazy now? So you call them disaster. You're the disaster because you were in the firing ring of Busan. So they are just all hazards. Nasasaktan ka kasi nasa punto tayo na halos napangalanan na natin lahat ng bagay-bagay sa mundo. Bigla natin mawala. Kulang naman i-clone ang tao eh. Ganun na katindi ang tao ngayon. Tapos ang sakit na parang ang ilang saglit, patay na agad. Totoo ko yan. I was discussing with this lady. I I accepted the earthquake, and I'm praying to God that it will happen in my lifetime. So that my children will not inherit those bad things. Because wala akong kaliskarte yung mga minsan. Anak ko, katulad ko, probinsyano, katutubo, yung ano ko, lumaki sa syudad, parang wala nang skills eh. Hirap. Ayaw ko i-inherit nila. Isang ko eh, no? Kung nasaan ako mamatay, hindi ako kasama sa 35,000 mamatay ka sa first cycle earthquake, makakaliskarte ako. Anyway, these things, it's a big drama. When we landed on the boat, tinatangkat tayo ng Santa Totoc na equalizer ng humanity. I was on Everest, I see avalanches after avalanches, and I forgot the line that I tapped on top of the food chain. I realized I'm not. I saw the immense power of nature. I saw the power of the virus, the dengue. Most viruses have no treatment. Equalizer of humanity is the virus. The virus are self-limiting. Napeke ka, kahit anong lagay mo ng anil dyan, walang silbihan. Lagyan mo ng anil, hindi mo lagay ng anil, aalis ka. Kasi self-limiting. If viruses are not self-limiting, there will be no urine. What's in this country? Well, I was told, correct this one, but we're in the front lines of taking the insults of climate change. Actually, according to UNA, Doctor according to UNSTF, Doctor according to Red Cross. Wow. We have everything. Now, what's in this country? Actually, there are 3 types of hazard. Allow me to segregate biological. Because the worst thing to happen to humanity is the biological insult. Wala na pong actor talaga dyan. Pakayama, haywire, Ebola, Anta, Marburg, Lassa, the weaponized ones, wala nang actor sa mundo. No? So we have these 3 things here. Natural events, man-made, civil disorder, and other complex hazards. Now this country is really into some sort of, we've had a number of problems. I will not discuss all. I'm not the expert. The only thing I know is I will have a pre-hospital care in this country. Pre-hospital is like 911 in the US or in Canada. 911, something happens to you, 911. What do you need? Ambulance, fire, police. Dito wala. So, if magka sa Makati ka, so, if magka sa Pasig ka, so, if magka sa Davao ka, so, if magka sa Cebu, mga areas na mayroong pre-hospital care, yung parang ambulance. But nasa loob, wala. Alam niyo ba, pag ipasa nito, kahon ko na yung disaster. Bakit? Mayroon akong pre-hospital care system. Hindi. So, sige lang. I will still have to. This picture is an old picture, 2009 nakuha ko yan. May nag-discuss akong Pilipino sa Boracay. So it does not really look like Boracay, but it's Boracay. Nung noon siya, nakita ng foreigner, nakita ng mga foreigners. Siyempre, naisip nila, marami cervical spine involvement. Hey, man don't move. So, yung kababa natin, don't move din siya. And these foreigners were trying to shout for ambulance, ambulance, ambulance. In Boracay, a world-class destination, a state line for crying out loud, and no ambulance. What they did? They scooped the guy using the beach, the plastic thing there, hindi ka tayo, selfie-selfie, nagay ko sa Facebook. Si Coast Guard, sobrang snappy, yung responding niya area of operation, nang isinusok siya sa likod ko, medyo malapad po yung puwan niya, pok, hindi ka siya, nang tagil ko, nahulog ko na sa likod. In front of the foreigners, how do we look like? We look like we are, Mickey Mouse when it comes to civilized. But anyway, I visited Boracay and I saw ambulance from the Red Cross, privately owned. Maybe they will have more. So, where's the data? Do you think you will be raped? Meron po. Sagot lang, pwede ka ma-rape?
Yes.
What? Yes. Pwede ka patayin after ma-rape? Yes. Good. That's it. Kasi pag sa inakala mo, walang masamang mangyari sa'yo, may problema ka. But anyway, talking about rape, ma'am, every 72 minutes in this country, ang Pilipino woman or girl is raped. Yeah. So before you expect for an earthquake, bantayan mo muna, hindi ka ma-rape. So ito, kailangan makakita ka, ano ba ang pwedeng dadali sa akin? No? there's any West Valley fault that's gonna blow out anytime, wala sa place. So what do we do? Still play cute. So kailangan, sa preparedness natin, tulong tayo gagarahin. Kasi ako bilang isang doktor, gusto ko handa. Pero kung gusto mo kumita bilang doktor, huwag mong turuan ng prevention at preparedness. Pero, totoo yan. Invest on science. I think with Marlak na yan. You know, they're trying to roll out. Makaano tayo, totoo po yan. It's not easy to respond. You know, hanging on a helicopter is cute. Believe me, my testicles went up here also. Number one, safe. Pagbabago, sa kaisipan. Ibig sabihin, we are along the disaster corridor. They told us top 1, top 3, top 4, top 12. Ano pang gagawin natin? Gagawin natin kaisipan. Change our behavior. Let's play Israeli, let's play Japanese. Israeli, napaligiran ang potential din. Japanese, merger ng fault lines. Maraming volcano pa. Or fault lines na rin. Now, ano pang gagawin? Indonesia, sila sa volcano. But anyway, talking about Japanese and Israeli, it's part of their life. We Filipinos, hindi pa. Institution na meron. Ang problema ng Pilipino, hindi sumusunod. Pag sinabing bawal tumawid, panamara sa lakalakad, naku, dito pa. Ang tubig dito na, panahagin na kamera, kumakaway pa. Alis na. Sabi mo nga kay Yusef Mama, pagulihin na natin yan. Kasi sa ibang bansa, pag yung bahay, walang storm shelter, multa. Pag naglalakad ka sa baha, huli ka, kulong. Ay, yun ang gusto ko. Sabagay, gusto rin na magpakulong kasi hindi pagkain ko muna. No, the five issues, tayo ko lang ka, although, pareho lang to, pareho lang ang ating baseline. Sa 5 insulto lang po, pwede, 5 insulto lang darating sa buhay mo. Na pag pilihan mo, patay ka, buhay ka. 5 na. Number 1, solid predictable index. Ano yun? Attack, stroke, anything na pag dumating sa'yo, patay ka o buhay ka. Pag buhay ka, quality may natin ka, pwede kung nilagad na gano'n, isa stroke yun, ha? Or comatose ka, o pwede ka recover ka, like Kimon Sensa. Pangalawa, criminality. Wala. Hindi mo alam, pwede kong patay, pwede kang hindi. Tama? Disgrasya, pag lumukso yan sa Alshima Highway yung bus mo, hindi mo alam, patay pa rin ka. Pangapat, disaster. Pag 250 kilometers per hour ng zero sa'yo, hindi mo nilalang patay buhay na. Ha? Pang-5, nako, may terrorist na papasok dito, may dynamite, blow you out of kingdom na, hindi ko alam patay buhay ka. So itong 5 na to, wala na iba sa mundo, pwede papatay sa'yo. Itong 5 na to, pwede pa natin atlasan ngayon, panoorin natin. Last night, there was a news that canned foods and whatever, the red meat, the sausage, the cost cancer, tagal na po yun. Yung ba't na yung nila. So, yeah. And we're eating. The global scale right now is not climate change. It's your heart attack. Ipunin ko lang mamatay sa dira, pinatay ng climate change na lindol, hindi kaya tumasan ang mamatay sa araw-araw dahil sa sakit ng puso. Then it's a global scale. So let's do something about that. But that's not my topic today. Criminality. It's criminals, diba? Riding in tandem, uso-uso dyan. Tumataas pa ngayong Pasko at palapit ng eleksyon. Pero nakitap sa Davao, nakitap lang ng, anong grupo yun? Ako saya. Natinignan ko yung video, lahat nakafinger out. Sabi ko, they don't look like ako saya. These are well-trained guys. No? Sabi ko, marami ako nakikita yung medyo, hindi ako naniniwala. But anyway, I always look at it like, oh, malapit na election, so it's the money so hard, so bad. We can step back. Mitigating, preventing, preparing, but stepping back. Okay? So, next, positive mental attitude. Kung gusto mo magbago, ano ang motivation mo? Kung may NTRCB dito, magagalit sa akin, pero hindi ko po tinatanggal, ito po yung reality. This is the tatay, the nanay, the anak. What's positive there? You know what's the positive? Ma'am, I will say so. You have kids? How young, what's the age of the youngest? 3.5. Babae na lang. Magkano siya? Inglesin ko, how much is the 3.5? Price. Your mother still alive? You love her so much. If I'm gonna hurt your mother, will you kill me? It's mo na. Of course not, you will not kill me. I'm gonna kill your mother. Kill me. So you love your mother. You will provide heaven and earth sa love ng nanay mo. Right? Okay. So I love your mother, and I have here a priceless 300 euro. You know what's going wrong? Why people die? Of the 5 insults I told you, they are all physical. Something is blank in your heart. Bago ka pa mamatay, magalit na yan. Kung wala ka, butak kita na angiogram. Kita ko, ano butak? Isa complex artery ba yan? Ascending artery ba yan? Kuha. Stroke. CT scan kita. Sumabog ba o para? Lahat, physical. Kriminante, naging hawak berti. Terorista, tatapon mo ng saling, soman, amon, ibigay gas. Physical. Yolanda, 7.9 magnitude earthquake sa Nepal. Yolanda, kita mo, gano'ng malakas. Kita mo sa pera. Disgrasya, break mark, ginawa ko dito. Simula doon. Ha, no less than 60 km per hour sedan. Plan dito. Nakalibrate ko. Physical lahat siya. Kaya kong sukatin at timbangin. Alam mo ba mas susukat ko na titipang? Hindi. Priceless, nasusukat ko na titipang? Hindi. People die because they put abstract barriers, physical reasons. That's not a good mathematics. I don't know how you pass mathematics. Balikan mo kami. Ito, magkano? Sige, presyon ko sa rin ko, 2 million pesos. Pati rin 2 million pesos. I stockpile in my house. I will survive for 1 month. I am on fuel, water purification fee, even with knife in my house. Everywhere I go, I have a knife. This is a fighting knife. Not to fight, not to rob banks, not to hurt someone. Protect my family. I learn how to shoot, yesterday I spent 2 days shooting or whatever. I learn how to do tactical driving. I teach my kids how to create fire, how to shoot, but they're not using my gun. They use it at the end of the line. That is how I convert. Yeah, I love you very much. Priceless. Having fire extinguisher in your house is a suicide. I was asking Jenny, your kids grew up in the area, iniiwan mo ba yung mga alahas mo sa area? Of course, hindi. Yung anak mo, iniwan sa area? Oo. Mas mahaba ang alahas mo kaysa anak mo. That's not the point. Marunong pa mag-CPR ang yaya. Marunong pa mag-fire extinguish. Marunong pa mag-first aid. Pag nasabugan ng LPG, paano ina-apply ang honey? Hindi. Talaga, magbibilang ako ng 7,000 at mamamatay. See what's wrong? See how we jack up our parents? Bakit? You know what? You know why? Maghahanda ka lang kung sa tingin mo magkano presyo mo sarili mo. Kung ang presyo ng buhay mo pang divisorya, tapos ang usapan natin ngayong araw. Kung sa tingin mo, importante ng tao, kasi, you know, you contribute to the community, you pay your tax, you vote the right guy, you donate to the Red Cross, you are the good guy, then put a price on yourself. Hindi ko sinabing pera. When I was asking you how much, I'm not intending to buy. I don't know the right statement of the word. Kasi pag sinabi mo, how worthy are you, parang mahirap sagutin yun. No? So, how much are you? Ano ba tingin mo? Anong silbi mo? Yun ang barrier. That is the physical barrier. But I will do anything to protect my family. Because that's how they cost me. I'm not so much of a good guy, but I have to protect myself. I'm not really good guy because I don't vote. I don't know, it makes me less motivated or not vote. I did not vote. Yeah. Next, kilalanin mo ang iyong community. Nasaan ka ba? Now, we have Project NOAA available in the internet for you to see. MGB, anything. As for pilot, OCD, as that. These guys are serious guys. It's under the law, and they are not there just for something. They are doing anything. Peacetime, wartime. You have to make use of them. The government and the institution is there. The Filipino people, I don't know where their intellect, is riding over. Because along the way, when you profile things, you can see patterns, no? Minsan, nauso yung rape, uso yung batang tinitap na kinukunan ng organ. Yung pauso riding yung tayo, biglang pauso. Mga nalasa ng bata, biglang pauso eh. Hindi ko yung pauso yung mga cute. Next is plan. Allow me to define plan, para na lang hindi kayo malito, yung kaisipan, no? Plano sa kaisipan. Ibig sabihin, yung ginagawa natin, dito na dito, preparedness natin. Dahil nasa UPLB tayo, siguro naman, meron tayo sarili natin ERTs, no? Pwede tayo magkatayo. Meron tayo recovery certificating programs, maliit lang yan. Hindi pwede, i-ano na natin lahat, ikasa sa gobyerno. Kasi ang gobyerno ay tao. Pag ako nasa gobyerno, kahit ako sino sa tama, namatay ang nanay ko. Pag first time ko nang nilandas, mo, pupunta ako sa opisina. So kailangan meron tayong ika nga, may proposal. Dali na, maganda yung sinabi namin, chairman, yung microscopic way of dealing with insults. Now, your plan must align anong senaryo? Mahay ka ba? Tayo-convert ka ba? Parang people dati? Malapit ka sa fault line or nasa fault line ka ba? Malapit ka sa gobyerno? Yan. Down the line, no? So, understand the law? What to do? I'm gonna give you a manual. OCD has. But I also would like to give you a manual from Singapore. Simula sa tulad sa bayan, hanggang CBR, Chemical Biological Residue Nuclear. Ito siya. Nakakatuwa ka sa akin. You want to do during before during this is sample of a plan. Yung listo is a plan. Yung pinakita kanina. Now prepare. Yung nasa utak na, ilalagay ko na sa kamay ko. Ibig sabihin, I have to learn life skills. Pag sinabing life skills, ito po ay hindi kasama ng pinanganak. Kailangan, pag-aralan mo. First aid, EMS. Kung ikaw ay isang institutional, diba, MD, you can come up with your own. You can visit OCD for incident command management kasi marami kayong team dito. Kailangan may incident commander or officer or chairman. You have to know these things and these are for free. Being offered by the government, MMDA, PNP, BFP, Coast Guard. A person who is not prepared is a loony chance to win. This is the police, and this is the martillo guard. What is he doing here? Parang yung tarang-tarang, parang hindi ko sila, hindi ako mamucha. I-check ninyo. Parang nakawin pa sa ingay. Wala tayong situation awareness na knock-knock pala yung para sumara. Parang nalibay ka, the speaker might be disturbed. Of course, the speaker is disturbed. Ikaw rin na conscious ka baka ma-disturb, but you don't know what to do because what is coming up. Na instead of deep breathing muna para masukan ng oxygen mo utak para medyo gumana. A person who is not prepared is, we call them the zombie. Emotion is high, the reason is low. Grabe yung devastation, psychologically damaged ka talaga. So hindi mo alam, makakita ka ng isang bubungkal doon sa Robinsons, sunod ka na. Pag luting ng isa, luting lahat. Maraming nagluluting doon na kahit hindi na, electric pa na wala yung front cover, pinipit, grinder, kung ano-ano, hindi naman makain yung grinder. Number one, you tend to run, you don't know where to run. You just try, or whatever, you run to nowhere. Number 7, kung tatagulin din kaya, acute sa Facebook, sa ganito tayo, ganito, pag nasa Facebook, tuk mamon. Doon sa BRN seminar. Pino sa Facebook, 61 ang nag-like. 61 nag-like, kumain ka na ng mamon. Hindi ko maintindihan kung pinakaunang panahon mo kumain ng mamon, may 61 nag-like. And instead of you doing some skilled styles there, why don't you visit our government agencies? And the UST, like the PBOX for earthquake, for volcanic, Project NOAA, nationwide operational assessment of hazard so that you will know, ang bahay ko, naku po, prone sa storm surge, sa baha, yun, or weather tracking, ilang days out sa Baguio, mag-land po 2 days pa, oo.
isinama ko sa PNP. Kasi malapit na ang kundas, malapit na Pasko, may mga posters sa PNP pinapalabas. And other things. This is the DOST project. Now, you will know that if you have 15 to 30 millimeters of rain, meaning there is possible evaporation. Diyan mo makikita. Sa Lindo naman, 12-lead questionnaire, no? Kailangan mo lang tingnan, same is my house. Makikita mo, you don't need a structural engineer. Initially, makikita mo, ay, ang bahay ko pala, hindi pumasa. So, do something. And other things like hazards, after earthquake. They have like this, you don't need to explain to your 7-year-old daughter na ako, pinapakita ko lang sa anak ko, hindi na kailangan explain. Ano pa lang mangyari? They make it so friendly for us. Tsunami, storm surge. Every day, they have their own sa PNP. Ano ang modus operandi? Sa salisikan, explain lang, para ma-identify mo, ano sila, unang paryada, uyog ka, nakilpahay ka. PNP is doing that. They have posters. Yes. Kesa kung ano pinapanood yung FHM doon, yan ang patuloy niyo. I like this also, maybe kahit ito, maraming compound secret, you have to have your own security or colleague. Because if I'm the terrorist, maglahasin kasi ako nalalagin dito, may part record na ako. And this is one thing also, nauso yung mga bomb skills sa Manila. Ito, i-download mo lang, idikit mo doon sa opisina mo, kung saan malapit ang phone, nakatanggap ka ng bunker, pag nakatanggap ka ng bomb code, take it sa real bomb code, isusuli mo lang yan. Mapapag-aralan mo, kung ano kasi, checklist mo lang ng checklist, wala naman maraming isipin pa, then you are on the right track already. 8. Personalized capacity. Marami akong napapansin na hindi tumugma sa pagkain ng Pilipino. Ay, sa panlasa ng Pilipino. Parang katulad ko, American Heart Association. Pag nakita ko may nakulaps na tao, sinsurvey, sinisave. Nakita ko, hey, are you okay, ma'am? Okay ka ba? Wala, unconscious. Activate EMS, ang ganda na ED. Balikan ko siya. Sumigaw ka nga dyan sa kalangba, activate EMS, ang ganda na ED kung maintindihan ka. Hindi. So, ibig sabihin, sa Amerika, pwede. Ito hindi. Pero yung librong ginagamit ko, yun tayo US, kailangan na naman ako. So, patuloy na natin. Ma'am. Walang malay. Pasuyo nga ako, ikaw na itin na, tatawag ng pagkakulan siya. Balikan mo ko ako. Siyan ko siya, start my purchase with resuscitation. Balikan mo ko. Yan, natuturo ko siya. Pilipino, si Zero. Balik mo na, balik ka lang yan. Oo, pagdating doon sa parang wala naman, doon sa bahay, kapinan ka. Go back is, it means lots of things. What is like this? But I don't want all of you to bring back like this or else you need psychiatrist. It's just left in the office or in a car or in your house. Parang katabi ng privacy reason na huwag naman sa sulok. Tapos doon katatakbo, nasa sulok siya. Nakibigpit. Pag gusto mong bigpit sa araw-araw, I encourage you to make 2 things na tawag to everyday carry. EDC. Or kung sa opisina ka, GHD, get home bag. The little things. And I'm going to give you the list. I'm going to discuss with you the list. I told them the last night. And I'm going to discuss it one by one. It's just something that increases your vital space. Because I have first aid kit there, I have chocolate there, I have water, I have extra pallet, I have manong, I have AM/FM radio, lahat yan. Umigat lang yan kasi may combat kit pa kasi kapag may madaanan ako na nasaksak kasi may special kit yun. Umigat lang. So this is something like you have to tone. You're having to put in your car, office, and house. And when you check internet, it has lots of things there. Don't be confused, isa lang talaga yan. Tawag talaga sila, go back, go kit, grab kit. Bahala ka kayo mga sa ito, sinama ko, naawak ko sa kanya. Pero, I would like to praise this boy. Ito yung galing ko sa Manila, post-earthquake. Ito yung may diskarte. Bagay kayo sa iyo, sir. I'm not coming home, honey, ba? Mahirap lang kami. Mahirap Mag-start ka sa objective mo, kung ilang araw ka mag-stay doon, depende. Ilang mag-consume ng tubig per day, how many days, and how many are you? So these are the items inside, and I guess those are understandable. I just would like to show pictures. This is the cloister or the stockpile room in the internet, and this is in my house. Because before, when I came from abroad, I came from war, nasanay ko dito buhay ko. My wife thought I was, ang sabi niya sa akin ko, yung tatay niyo, nasa libal yan. And then, ang gawin came in, ang kusa ng pagkain, ako yung talindoy, walang pagkain, walang ilaw, walang tubig, in heart of Manila. So, napilitan siya pumunta sa Ever. Ang Ever po, punong-punong ng tao, walang ilaw, nakalinya siya, nagpasada ng salamin. Day 2 ha, mga kondoy. Day 2. Nagsara ng rock doors, nakaabot siya sa cashier, bigay siya ng credit card, walang credit card, iyak-iyak miss, pinulungan siya ng Chinese guy. Pinalabas siya sa likod kasi pwede siyang puyugin doon sa labas, doon na siya sa hospital, sa likod naman. Paglabas niya ngayon, puro tubig, malalim, first time binasa sa bahay. Pagdating sa bahay, settle na siya, tinawagan niya ako. At ang sabi niya, walang tubig, walang ilaw, mauubos sa pagkain. Sabi ko, meron akong tubig. Tinapon mo pa nga nun eh. Nalagay sa duffel bag, yung mga duffel bag namin pag-atin sa yung lunch. Pinunong ko rin ng MRE, may slide to military, tubig, and my wife thought, they are just crazy duffel bags. When I have this, my kids feasted on MREs. I have candles, citronella based, walang tabo. Doon sa second floor, walang tubig sa baba. Third floor namin, ewan kung paano nasira yung buhong, ulan. So, dito rin nasa second floor siya. May ilaw kami, mayroong mga crayons sa anak ko. Yung crayons, pwede mong baliktarin ko, sinihan mo, pwede siyang ilaw. At in the end of the line, at the end of the world, as you know it, you can eat the crayons, they're edible. I stored them, released, shut up. Of course, my wife, nangyari siya, wow, tama pala ginawa ko. Pero hindi niya sinabi. I call it reputation management. Kasi diba, sinabi sa akin, samahan mo ko sa dao. Sinabi ko sa dao kasi mabili ng MRE. She bought MREs, 10 MREs, 1 box. 1,500 pesos lang 1 box. May naging 3,000 na kasi ewan ko ang ginawa niya. Kasi nagulat, 10 boxes, 15,000. Wow, 15,000 MREs sa kusuhan ko. I still have MRE. No, I have to buy lunch. Sa dao naman, nakulangan natin, kumuha pa sa kabila. Bakit misis, hindi ba hindi? Paghandaan ko yung Manila kasi before the scare of the West Valley Fault, I know there's there, I was telling them, sa Lindon, pag bumagsak Manila, hindi po kaya kami. She's giving idea to these Dao people, kaya tumaas ang MRE, 15,000, that's crazy. Hindi ko kapalag. She has the credit card, she has my ATM, ATM, she can buy lots of things, I just learned. So, she bought lots of those, stockpile, and you know what she did? She bought this thing sa SNR, this is 8,000. She bought those metallic, wow, 8,000, 8,000, 5,000, and this is mine, stockpile in the house. Ginawa ko ng bodega. Ako, tinitingnan ng misis ko, baka nasa liban. Now what she did? I had pelicans. Ang galing niya pumili, pelicans. Sabi ko, anong pelicans? Para sa mga papeles. Papeles? Letters contact. Letters contact can float in the flood. Ito po yung bahay. Minsan, pinipili ko na i-basic yung pupunan. Natatakot ako. Security issue lang. Pero sige lang, para makatulong. Minsan, kinupunan nila. So, ito po sila lahat. Kahit anak, parang hospital, parang ICU. Anak ko, sumusukan ng loob sa lingkay, malalata, di ba? Coast Guard ako, walang pera. Ay, kaya, sa symptoms, baka ako mamatay. Anak ko buhay, hindi ako patay sa magpapaya. Sa hospital, sa bahay. Siya, misis ko, meron akong vital signs ko, pero galit sa akin. Guys, karamihan tinuturo water. Agree ako. I'm a doctor, I agree. 3 days without water, you die. Plus minus on the your status. But I would go for security. In Haiti, right in front of me, my companion killed one local. He jumped out from our vehicle with an axe, trying to get our food up. Di na rin sa akin. From that moment on, it changed my life. In Hindi pala ako pwedeng pakinggan ng tao ko. He's gonna purge me just to get the food. He's not the bad guy. He is the guy who knows how to love his daughter or whoever. He's gonna do anything to feed and produce water for his family. Nagmamahal lang yung tao na yun. Kataon ng may baril kami. Siya may anas, may baril. May vantage point. Kung ako'y kamay lang, baka pupusan ako sa depensa, nataga ako, buhay yung normal lang din yun. Looting people is a price of war, it's a price of disaster. They loot. After the incident in Yolanda, pumunta sa Kali, pinagbibenta yung TV, washing machine, dinuli ba? Hindi. Price of war. So I'm not gonna discuss all these things like water, drug posting. Ano yung post-it that will be? Post-it is, please come up with your own emergency list. Hindi yung nasa cellphone, kasi pag nawala cellphone, hindi mo na alam. Kung malapit sa phone sa bahay mo, may listahan ka, meron din ako listahan, yung din sarili ko, naka-ziplock pa, sa opisina ko meron, sa mga anak ko, sa anak ko meron, lahat, pati sa kami na naman. And please, when you make your emergency list, use red font. Ito lang tutulong sa inyo. Red font. Why red font? Kapag emergency po, katulad kanina, yung heart rate mo, you tend to be excited. When your heart, the normal heart rate right now, medyo tataas mo, kasi madami, drama mo rin, tataas na heart rate. 60 to 100 adults. When you're excited, it goes 110, 120. When you're in love, 120. Kaya hindi ka nakaisip. Nung nainom ka, naisip ka? Hindi! You agree against the world, di ba? No reason. Just emotion eh. No? Ganun din po sa emergency. Pag lumukso yun ng 130, my house is on fire! Lumukso yun ng 130, boom, 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 boom. Ang black fonts, magbablack spots ka sa mga proper. Other than judgment that will go out of the window, yung color mo rin. Pero yung mga ilang colors ang maiwan, one is colored. Kaya sa combat kit ko, yung NATO magazines ko, kahit sa tourniquet, sa combat, may mga red tips, parang kahit sa mobilin, makikita ko ito na yung kit. Normal yan, kasi sa high-tech environment, minsan wala na ako, hindi na ako makabasa. Color ako. So, dinisign ko lang ito lang, dinugtong ko lang yung skills ko sa combat medicine na mas mabasa mo pag red fonts. Huwag naman yung fonts na size 5. Ang fonts yun naman. Basta na. Basta pa kayo. So, size 140 naman. Okay? So, these are the samples. You can even publish it. Like that, sa iyan, para sa amin, sa office namin, doon sa aming kami na mabasa, wala ko doon during graduate. Wala ko doon during nurse ko, how to protect. May nangyayari. Pag may mga patay mo doon, lagyan mo ng ganyan. Mga jeepney sana dito, ma-propose dito, mga tricycle, lagyan nyo ng safety numbers. Kesa sa kung ano mga mukha ng mga babae para nakaubat na. Walang point ng storya. Okay? Please to assemble. Sama kita-kita. Ito ang hindi na pag-usapan. Kaya dapat mag-usap kayo. Para na to. Pag lumindo lang kanila, pag umuwi ako, pag uwi ko sa bahay, tumali ang bahay, bumagsak ako, nasunog na, alam ko saan ang aming pamilya. Pag punta ko doon, wala sila, alam ko ano ang Alpha, punta ko sa Bravo. Pag wala sa Bravo, may Charlie. Alam na nga lang ko. At may mapa sila. You know my kids? 7 years old, 9 years old, 11 years old. They know three clocks, compass. Wala na ako nga sa moon eh. But others don't do this. Wala na ako. Sus, pag wala. So, maliit pa na. 4 years old, 5 years old. Ako, nung wala akong hawak, labas niya ang hina. Pasaguan dyan. Dumating misis ko. Saan si Alice niya? Sabi, doon pupunta sa ko. Doon! Sa ang misis ko. Ano yan? Ako na Coast Guard kumanta. So binibig ko lang sa sasakyan, hindi matapos yung mic ko. Sa sasakyan, kahit magsigaw-sigaw siya, binibigyan ko ng 1,000, maybe 4 years ago, 5 years ago. That's too much, okay? 1,000 for big so smart. Ibig sabihin, hinala ako? Wala, ang sagot ko, oo, hindi. Sinabi ko lang, oo, para malaman ko na kaya pala nila pag wala na. Ginagawa ko sana ako, nakit kami sa mall. Kita mo yung Jollibee, may sumahag puma. Anong gawin? Tatak agad yung panganay yung mall. Kneel down sila. Tapos nakatingin sila. Ako naman, siyempre magsabi ako, bangdel tayo. Ulihin kami lahat. Ako naman, ako, yun lang sila. Because I told them, do not attempt to rescue. Because babagal yun. Hindi nyo kaya. Sa gulo ng tao, takas na yun. Go to the policeman, go to the guard, go to the... Kaya yung anak ko, ulihin ka ng polis, hindi sila nakarig yun. Friend nila yan. Nakaka sila, punta sila sa sasakyan. Meron sila mga kalipon, mga lagusan sa mga mall. Dinidril nila yun, kuha nila pala. Sabi ko lang, pag buhay ako, I can find you, I have skills to find you. So, huwag niya ako isipin, sa kayo tumakas na. Yun lang yung objective nyo sa buhay. So, suksok sa isip nila yan. Now, this is something not being practiced so much. Even the government tells you, oy, make recurrent po. Kasi pag ilatag kayo kahit saan, pag hindi kinag-usap, mahirap kayo hanapin dyan, nasaan kaya yung anak ko. Like this, sa earthquake sa Manila, the government has identified quadrants. 4, practice a policy drill. I'm not gonna spend so much, no? I'm busy, we are overdue. Ito lang. Meron ako idagdag sa drill. Ang idagdag ko is something science. Ang earthquake ko, walang namamatay. Hanggang walang babagsak. Diba? Pag lindol dyan, lahat ng mga reaction tumakbo. Pag nasa doon sa man, mag-kusyoso yan, state of shock, freeze, fight, flight and flight lang yan. Ngayon, sa drug cover and hold, yun yung ating advocacy. Pag nag-drug cover and hold kayo, dapat alam nyo sa drug cover. Huwag nyo alamin kung doon na sa earthquake, saka kayo maghanap kung saan kayo mag-drug cover kasi hindi nyo magagawa. Kanina, lumabas ako. Napansin naman ng iba. Lumabas ako doon. Nang lumabas ako doon, tinignan ko lang yung corridor ko, binilan ko yung pacing ko, gano'n akong kalayo na labas. Ikot. Kahit guluhin man yung patayin yung ilaw, alam ko, yan ang pacing. Nag-i-rest out. Maraming puno, may floating wall, pero hindi na ako makukuryente sa floating wall. Pagdating ko doon, buhay na ako. So yun, kailangan alam. So sa drug cover na, under the table, comfort lang yun, hindi na ibig sabihin na pagpabagsakin ko itong semento, buhay ito. At least, meron akong sense of comfort, a little bit ng sense of security. One requirement, kailangan kasi ako sa table. Number 2, pag ako sa table, kailangan mahawa ka. Kasi pag hindi mo hawakan, tumakbo yung table, Number 3, huwag mong patayin ng mata. Unang pagkakamali sa pagpatay sa mata. Human being tayo, ang inaasahan natin yung mata. Yun ang unang mong suksok, tapos na. Wala kang acquisition kung sabi ng environment. Number 2, healing nila. Kung nangyari, heart rate mo, 120, 140 na. By the time, uwinig ka na lang sa pantalon mo. See? So, how do we do that? This guy does not fit inside. So, don't squeeze in something you cannot fit. Ulo mo lang, wala. Huwag mo na lang gawin. Number 2, ito, medyo hindi maganda. One-story building ko yun. Si principal may hawak na notebook sa ulo, mga estudyante na hawak sa ulo, mali pa yung positioning, nanonood ng earthworm. Ano ba sa reckless na ito? Sabi niya, oh, brilliant eh. Sabi ko sir, may talong na ako pala. Pag meron pang earthquake, may falling star. Pinis namin pa siya nagalit. Kasi ba't ka mahawak sa ulo? Open your internet. Tell me if there are people in the middle of an earthquake holding their head. Let's not do something that you will not do at war. Kung sa combat, ginagawa namin. Kung ano ang training, kung ano ang fight ko, doon ako training. Kaya kumitin. Kasi yun ang fight ko. Doon ako training. Sige, pusa ay partusa. Kasi yun ang fighting ko eh. Ganun yun sa drill. Drill. Ito mga doktor. Alam mo kami mga doktor, parang kami mga military. May seniority din kami. Sinita ko ito. Agad, pinahinto ko eh. Stop! Why? Come. Why do you use like this? Ikaw naman malapit na rin mo. So, gagayahin namin. Punta ka. Yes, ito naman kami. Harap ko, harap ko. Gayahin mo siya, harap ko. Gayahin mo. Hindi ko. Ako na kayo po. Where am I looking? Wherever you ask goes, I follow. Wala, sa pagkakas mo, bias mo. My question is, why do you do that? Sagot itong senior. Baka may mahulog. Good! Baka may mahulog. Paano mo malalaman mahulog? Paano mo malalaman mahulog? Oo, ano, tingnan nga. For you to know that it's gonna fall, look at it. There's no other solution. Ito pa. Yung kalit-tula, pinanarpay, after sa gagawin ka, kung baka. Postural hypotension, nangirot ka. Kahit sa drill, tapos na drill, pagtayo mo, hindi ka mahilo. Isipin mo, pagtayo mo, nahilo ka, natumba ka, nakulaps, tapos medyo kalto ka pa naman. Kasi, this one, engaging on stairs like this. Oh. Baka hindi ka nagbuhuan, baka pagkano mo sa stairs, nakapisog ka, nadaganan ka, baka doon ka namatay. This is balance. Look, when we run, that's balance. When we walk, that's balance. Wala naman yung tao naglalakad ganun. Why? Paglakad mo, that's balance. God made it so. If you believe in your God. Because we are Homo erectus, Homo sapiens sapiens. Ang ating calibration for balance, malaki. In an unstable environment with lots of people, the more you need is for balance, and the more you need for senses, and for tukod. How can you tukod when you're so long behind? Crowd psychology. Heterogeneous crowd, I don't know what's gonna go in your head. You might bang me, and I'm dead because I have my hands asleep. So I'll give a solution to that. Japanese, they have soft shells, and they tend to stay on the side. I like it that way. Right? I like the sides. Assuming we're in this building, it starts to shake. When it starts to shake, drop over no, ako hanap ko na strong view. Side yun. Boom! Stay low ko. Ganito ang posisyon ko. Tingin ako sa taas. Right hand position namin. I will have the tape. Then I manage to stay here. Tingin. Walang tulog. Strong view. Okay? For whatever happens, kunwari bumagsak talaga. Bumagsak. Hindi ko naman alam ano. Wala namang bumagsak. Iyan ako ng babagsak. Hindi ko alam. Kunwari, lumilin. Wala to. Nasa interior tayo. And here comes that evacuation. When you evacuate, when you are on the wall, all walls will have windows and doors. Number two, if you are being trapped, nahulog, nabas ang buto, tulog. Sakit. Pag pumasok mo mga reshitin, ano yung ilaw ko sa'yo? Alright, dora po. Los pa rin yung reshitin! Okay, kaya maglakad, dapat mapunta sa akin. So, ang naglalakad, nagtama na yung tubig. Kunwari, hindi na maglakad. Ang naiwan, kaway. Ikumuhay doon. Ang hindi makakaway, sigaw. O ikumuhay doon. Okay? Karamihan, right approach. Pero pag marinig na ako, palaki ang team ko, two kami dito. Lahat na reshitin ko, uwan yan. Kasi ang uwan is our lifeline. Why will you make it hard for me to feel? Are we Romeo and Juliet? Make it easy for me. Ang inyong survival, kailangan makikita kayo. Survival sa forest, kailangan kung saan pakiramdam mo dito, tatako sa aeroplano. Dito siya, mapapansin ako, high ground ako, open space. Kailangan tingin ng araw, ganun. Saan ako madali makita? The world, strongly, particularly, It's your consideration. Here we are trying to squeeze. In real apoy, makaka-squeeze ka talaga pag lumindo na. Hindi. In Japan, they adjust the headroom. Yan ang discipline, no? Here in this country, we train our people to walk. Wala akong disagreement. In other countries, they don't only walk, they also train them how to run. People will run. They will be. They will never walk. They will run. You cannot stop one from running. You see one starting to run, the other one, sama ka na. Nakita ko yan sa Nepal. Konting after siya, stop! Ay, walang stop. Wow, they just run to nowhere. Kasama yung mga Philippine team. Tawa din. Namili kasi, tamang maglaba, namili. Meron kasi mga North Face, ba? May North Face dito, pero mukhang North Face. South Face ka lang, mga galing China, pero mura. Hindi ko nahalata. So, mamili ka talaga. So, namili sila. Biglang din doon. Kita mo, pati ng damit, bilbid sa labas eh. Sabi ko, sir, ang may-ari ng tindahan, tumakbo sa labas, tumakbo siya. Ang sabi sa akin, sir, tumakbo lang. Hindi tumakbo din ako. Isipin mo yon. Is that rational? Kasi tumakbo lang, tumakbo din. Hindi ko na i-mention kung sino yun. But anyway, that's normal. Ako naiintindihan ko. Now, kesa kasi pwede mo yan, turuan mo rin tumakbo. Kamaisin nila, kaya Japan, dyan yung tsunami. Kamaisin, walang namatay. Pag tama ng tsunami, mga kids running, they experimented. Checking your internet. They experimented. They just run. That time, pag lindol, they run. Pag run, no questions asked. Nakita ng high school, tulad po. Takbo na sa high school. Kasi sabi na, run. Wait, what? Run. Run. Sunod ka na. Pagdating sa military, anak, saan ka? Run. Nakita mo na ko, run. Gawin. Nagkakal, people are running. Checking your internet. Nobody died. It's called Kamaishi Marathon. I experimented on a first flight building, my son, 5th floor, going up. He had that time. I decided to walk. The only problem is exit door. Crossover ka lang. I don't like balister. Why? Sinubukan ko sa mga earthquake trace of Tigas, yung mga nasa balister, butik mahulog. Hindi na pwede sa balister. Wala na ako. Para tayo magtulakan sa balister, sige, shortcut, masas ko. Pagkatulakan tao, breaking ko yung wall. Break. Yan ako, headroom. So I will use the wall. Another. Open your eyes. That's the right thing. You have to overhaul, eyes open. If you don't have tape on, don't close your eyes. Don't smack your face on that cloud. Sasakyan, huwag ka muna mag-stop, engine stop. Preno, tingin. Pag nag-preno, alalay. Huwag ka mag-preno bigla. Kasi pag huwag ka bigla, yung nasa sunod sa ito, yung binangga ka, ano ang ma-acquire mo? Lindol o bangga? Bangga. Pag gano'n, posting, gano'n na sa'yo. Kailangan calibration palagi. No? Instead of doing that, yan, para medyo may system tayo. So this is from rudder. Pag malapit ka na sa fault line, vertical. Pag malayo ka, horizontal. Pag vertical ka, mas this can take the insult, this one will have the tendency to break down. Pag malayo naman, ito naman yung may drama. On both sides, you still don't know because you don't know if you're on high rise or low rise. You just don't know everything. You don't know what's going to happen. In other buildings, they have sola sigura. Like you see there, below, I was there. Diyan muna mag-iipon mga tao. Sa buildings natin, may mga tayo, sa kanila wala. Malakas po ito, kaya na. So diyan muna mag-stage. Sa ibang buildings, meron tinatawag sila na parang pan floor. Doon muna sila. Kasi hindi mag-focus mag-jump back yung sa ibaba. In our office, we use this smoke hood. Dahil lagi cheese lines, pagpapa, may nakita ako the way here, the little bit, halang lahat. Tawid sa ba? Dito, gano'n. So ang tubig na tatama din sa kanya. Nakikilipin ng DAM dam. Turuan natin na ito space para may spillway. Huwag tayo masyadong sweep. Ganang yung distansya. Para ang aming, ang operational life ng lubid ko kasi hindi naman talaga dyan ang lubid eh. Pinagpuro ko lang yan, you know? Mas tapas pa. Okay? Partnership, with OCD and our acronyms. Join drills, participate sa mga drills, katulad sa Rec 30. We have to obey the law. The platform there. Yung ayaw mga tuwan. Ito. Stockpile, fuel up. Kasi by the time, katulad sa uno, dyan na may binila ng fuel, wala na. Dyan magbibili doon sa bangko, wala na. Dyan na bibili. And get out. Hurricane Katrina, 2.5 days, no movement. Very slow. Disiplinado ng driver, walang pass mo, jeep, tricycle, bumakalang pa. 2.5 days. US naman yan eh. Ilan ito sa Pilipinas? Sorry. Okay? Anyway, yan ako lang to. Dahil nandito kayo sa LP, you are close to nature, why don't you do your own thing? In Davao, I have my own rain tank, I have my own herbal, we do our own honey with my auntie. But wait there, ito ang wala na tayo. Malayo na tayo sa kabis. We don't know why this thing occurred in China. No? Before the earthquake arrived. Or bago po dumating yung bagyo, sumuksok yung palaman, naka-understand siguro ng change of pressure. So malayo na tayo, hindi na tayo nakakaintindi. Baka gusto nang intindihin, may isa akong solusyon. Hindi ko sinabi yan talaga. Go back to the lab. I don't celebrate birthdays anymore. I plan things during birthdays. There was one time 2 years ago, a year ago, 46, I want to plant trees. Balay-balay, sabi ko sa mga estudyante ko sa rescue, planta. Taliman niya ako ng 46 trees. Aba, 46 lang sana, nakita ng iba. Dinumog. Dinumog. Dumami. Ginawa ka nilang pangalan ko, sabi ko naman, mawag pagkalanan yung dinumog. They did not stop at 46 trees. They want to achieve 1,600 trees. Now they have 1,000. They are paying 3,000 and they are still doing that. Yung mga bata na pinagkukuha mo mga magnanakaw ay binibisa ng konti pera, ay sa buhay, mga katutubo, pinasama-sama mo, mga tinuruan mo sa rescue, they just plant trees. Ako lang to. Paano kaya kayo? O paano kaya tayo? You know what will happen to Earth? We just plant trees. This is our president. I have my own recipe. Best equipment, I have drones, I use it in a pod. This is my own personal cut, I don't have personal life anymore. We have the best, we have light monitors, we have drones, we have everything. But that's not enough. We came up with Oil Mill Center for Climate Change, financed by EDC, International Development Corporation. It's a renewable energy. We have the biggest wind farm in Burgos, Southeast Asia. We are now making our own solar farm. And we have our thermal. We don't have coal, of course. So, yan yung mga advocacy namin. And we will get the NASA's carbon column monitor, the first in Southeast Asia. Hindi po pagkakita namin, wala kaming nakakuha ito. Hindi ko lang maintindihan, sobrang mahal pero maglagay. Pag naroon na tayong carbon column monitor, mas ang predictability natin pag mag-detect ng typhoon, mas mabilis na. Magaling na. Last, praise the Lord because we have something. Now is children pray, angels came in from all parts of the globe. But, isang bagay ang natutunan natin sa kabihas, sa kasaysayan, ay kita yung natutunan sa kasaysayan. Luma na ang storm surge. May pangalan tayo dyan, Daluyong. Lumang tutugi na. Luma na yung bunusan, luma na yung mayan. Ulit-ulit lang yan. Dahil hindi tayo, malayo tayo sa we have our sense of history and our sense of culture is not there, that's why we die. Now, if we do not learn things, what do we teach our children? Nothing. So they suffer more. They suffer the most. Because adults have nothing. Anyway, nauna niyong paniniwalaan muna, sarili muna. Kasi, kung ano mangyari dito sa 5 insultong sinabi ko, wala ka ng police, wala ka ng rescuer, wala lahat, ang tawag ko dyan, yo-yo. You are on your own. Ngayon, muntik malunod si Coast Guard, si Army. Sinagit ni Coast Guard. Ang si Coast Guard na sumagit, di mo na Reuters, hero daw kami. Pero without amendment, without application, paniniwala kami magagawin kayo stupid. Iasa yung buhay niyo sa akin. Hindi ko sinabi hindi. Pero kung nandito ko na saan pagkatiwalaan sa sarili niyo. Kasi baka ang tutulong sa inyo, baka maliit. Tulad nito, pwede ko naman pala itawid eh. Alalayan na sa dami-dami lalaki. Bakit ko pa nilagay sa wooden block backward? Wrong na line. Pinalihan si nanay, si anak, hindi. Because nandyan si Media, hindi lang pa naman yan. Nandyan si Media, they make it more drama. Look, this is more disastrous. Anyway, simple lang po ang equation. Kung magkano porsyento ang iyong paghanda, ganun din yung support. Hindi yung may Agree? Agree kayo? Agree na siya. I like this way. Siguro mo, that's my total mo. And that is the same mo. When we climb Mount Everest, 2006, we climbed Everest, we proved to the whole world, kaya ng Pilipino ang kaya ng puti. Kasi sabi ng iba, hindi ko sinabi sabi ng lahat. Ang sabi ng iba, Pilipino daw, sa kaya na lang niya, kaya ng contract worker lang daw, kaya ka. Hanggang domestic helper daw, kaya ka. Langanan. Hindi ko sinabi, mali. Hanggang Japanese lang daw, kaya ka. O anong ginawa niyo tatlo? Ito na rin kumayag. Ano ginawa niyo para mag-japak yung imahe? So, we climb it. Nagputelo na wala, malakas kami. Okay, ang kaya ninyo, kaya ng Pilipino. Despite the fact that there was no ice and high altitude. But, hindi kami nito. 2006, 2007, we went back to Everest, we went back to Tibet, bringing 3 female. And that's post-graduate. 3 female, we climbed Everest from the north, hit the summit, go down to the south. It's called Traverse, para mapili Traverse. It became the first and only women Traverse up to this day. Unbroken. What are my says? Hindi na namin kaya. Kaya ninyo. Kaya pa namin hinihikan. Don't look down. I can produce. We have Diaz at Toto, Pacquiao, we have the best weather forecaster, we have the best there is. So, yan po yung message. Now, ano pong relasyon sa DRM? Tulungan po natin yung gobyerno. Minsan magsisisi tayo kung sininilir, tulungan na natin. Tulungan mo natin, like Pama. Hirap si Yusek Pama, he's a friend of mine. Tulungan, sige. Because this is Pangilinan. We are in one boat. Don't drill in your boat, we will all sink. Now kami, walang budget. Look at our Pukay. May lang po yan. Ibang expedition, parehong work phase, may pangalan pa, may mga sponsor. Kami walang pera. Because when we sold our dreams to climb Mount Everest, nobody believed in us. They were readily, can you sponsor? Wala. Did you buy my dream? Nobody would like to buy my dream. Sige, sige lang. Pero sige lang. Then we need something like a world record. No budget. Pagbalik namin, ang binigay sa akin ni President, Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo, 2 gate for Mount Everest. Ang hindi makapagpadala ng kulihin sa UST. Madayarin, is part of the Sige lang. What's our work? It is called the Philippine Plan. And what we need, we have from different parts of the country, we have also of the Philippines, which is different. In Meron, we show very safe, we have climate capable, operational capability, optimum. The weatherman, did his job, technical advisor did his job. We did a one-man orchestra, we help each one, and that is what we call the Bayanihan. Addressing to increasing our margin on safety, survival, and security, this is Bayanihan. This is not one thing, one man army. We're just trying to put our hands together. And you know, we do that. We don't look at the nation yet, still. Let's start with our simple community, and makikita nila tayo. We can contaminate others. That's all there is. That's how simple it is. And we can do great things, like having a work, okay? Before I leave, I want to see my name. Pag sinabi ko, ano ba? How do you choose your character? ENA, what's ENA? Environment. Okay, Total, sa LB kayo, no? Pag sinabi kong LB, all you have to do is, answer me back, ha? LB, pag magaling kayo, LB, stamp twice, kaya. Stamp. May gusto lang akong tingnan. Okay, tingnan natin, LB! Makinig pa lang, hindi niyo kaya. Okay, tingnan natin ha kung bayanihan tayo. Alam niyo, bago kami inumukso sa magparasyon, minsan matatakbo ka sa likod ng aeroplano. Nagpupo! Kuya! Gusto na lang, pero nakatakot na doon. Pero nadaan sa sigaw eh. Kaya! Ano? That's committed. You have to commit it. Okay? So let's tell them we have our bayanihan here in LB. Para kayong Senado Kongreso. Guys, tingnan natin, this is just simple. Iyan pala, hindi kayo makasulo. It starts with a commitment. Parang, kaya. Kung ano man yung objective mo sa buhay, you wanna prepare your family, your community, you wanna understand more the science, the ethics of it. It has to start with like a drumming up of the spirit, changing side. Okay, defining your worth. But before we do that, you can assimilate the great subject matters para maintindihan natin. Kunin muna natin sa sarili natin. Okay? Now, this bayanihan must start from within and with us. It must start here in LB!